The broccoli cut has taken over. Whether you've seen it on TikTok, your favorite celebrities, or that effortlessly stylish guy at the gym, this haircut is having a major moment. But in this video, we're going to share why it's become so popular and how you can pull it off too. This hairstyle first gained traction amongst Gen Z, quickly making its way from social media to real life street style. The appeal, it's bold, it's low maintenance, and it's full of personality. The broccoli cut is essentially an exaggerated take on a curly undercut, voluminous on top, short on sides, and packed with texture. Some of the biggest names in pop culture have helped push this cut into the mainstream. Think of NBA star LaMelo Ball, internet sensation Vinny Hacker, or even K-pop idols who have rocked variations of the look. And if you've heard this cut being called something else, maybe the mop top 2.0, the e-boy cut, or the fluffy undercut, they're all talking about the same thing. It's a modern take on structured, voluminous hair with a carefree edge. Let's start with the cut. If you're thinking about jumping on the broccoli cut wave, you'll need to get the right cut to make it work for your hair type. If your hair is naturally curly or wavy, ask your barber for a heavy, rounded top with enough length to enhance your natural texture. The side should be short but not overly faded. A mid or low taper keeps the contrast while maintaining balance. Layers in the top will help prevent bulkiness and keep the style looking effortless. If you have straight hair, you'll want to keep the top a little longer to create volume and movement. The side should still have some fade, but nothing too aggressive. A mid taper works well for adding structure while keeping it versatile. To ensure the hair doesn't fall flat, ask your barber to add light texturizing to the top. And if you're serious about nailing the look but lack natural waves, you might even consider a perm to get that signature bounce. While perms have traditionally been associated with women, more men than ever are embracing them. Even guys in their 30s and 40s are opting for them to add volume and natural looking curls. A perm isn't about tight old school curls anymore. Modern techniques allow for looser, more effortless waves that give your hair a natural boost. It's a simple way to enhance your look without excessive daily styling, making it an appealing option for those who want extra movement and texture with minimal effort. The styling. With the cut complete, styling is just as important as the cut itself, and the key to making the broccoli cut look its best is all about enhancing texture and volume. If you want defined, controlled curls, start with damp hair after a shower and apply curl cream evenly throughout. This helps to shape the curls while reducing frizz, giving the cut that effortless, full-bodied look. Let your hair air dry for a natural finish, or use a diffuser on a low heat setting for extra definition. If you need a little extra hold, a light styling cream can help keep everything in place without making the hair feels stiff. If you're after a more voluminous look, sea salt spray is your best friend. Spritz it onto damp hair, scrunch lightly with your fingers, and let it air dry for a natural textured effect. For extra lift, once again, use a blow dryer with a diffuser to enhance the volume and movement. One of the reasons the broccoli cut has become so popular is because the style works with a variety of hair types and grows out nicely, making it a low maintenance yet stylish option. Once you've got the cut and once you know how to style it, it really is an effortless hairstyle that looks good even when you've just rolled out of bed in the morning. So if you're ready to embrace the broccoli cut, book that barber appointment, stock up on a solid curl cream and sea salt spray, and step into your effortlessly cool era.